Hi, my name is Dan Gravers, and today I have brought two pandas. I got them from Eric, my son. He was bringing them into the car when we were driving to kindergarten, but he left them in the car. And though he was screaming when we got inside, I think we managed to calm him down, so he forgot about these two pandas. But what is it that I want to say with these pandas? So, which is the better one? So this one Eric got when he was a kid. It's probably a $60 Panda. It's really soft and it lasts forever. I had a toy from the same company, and it's been lasting for 30 years, something like that. And it's still soft. And then the other one, this is a Panda from Ikea, bought at the second-hand store for maybe $2. But this is the one he preferred because it has these washing description, and then he'll wrap his hand around it and walk around with the Panda like this. So now all toys, all teddy bears would have extra added washing descriptions or wires, so he would play around with them more. So why is this important? So the reason this is important is we don't really know what we want in the beginning. So we're just thinking, well, this is good or this is good. But we don't really know what would work. And this is the reason why I want to speed up development, asking the right questions and getting sure we are able to do that along the way and figure out we want something to hold it in, instead of just waiting for it to work. So that's why I've created my 6D development model for creating better integrations. That will take you to some of the different questions you need to ask for creating a better integration as fast as possible. But obviously there's something you would find out too late. But hopefully this method would help you get faster into your development process and figure out what to do about it. If you want this model, you can go to my Figaf website, figaf.com/6D. Here you can download the model and start using it to create your own integration. Yes, that was all for me. Be sure to like it, and goodbye for me and the Panda. Bye!